The basic building blocks of any language. These are the pillars of any language. In our case VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, is our language.
These concepts are common in any computer language. C, C++, Java, VBA, Visual Basic, etc. Following are the main building blocks. 1. Statements. 2. Variables. 3. Arrays. 4. Conditions. 5. Loops. 6. Subprograms and functions. 7. Objects. In our case, Microsoft Excel is our object. 8. Classes.
We will see each of these building blocks in our coming lessons.
Stay connected and learn step by step. You will learn the real magic.